Hey guys, welcome back. In the previous week, I have been to a DIY session conducted by Bajaj. It was all about the chain cleaning or the chain maintenance of your Dominar, and I've got some inputs from my fellow riders who were actually sharing their experiences cleaning the chain and all. And the most challenging part in this process is spinning the rear wheel. So I have come up with a small DIY solution where you can spin your own wheel with a lot of ease. So let's check it out.
To get started, initially get at least 200 ml of kerosene if available or diesel if not. This is for chain cleaning purpose. For the spray effect, I have poured the kerosene into the used sprayable container, which is call-in container used for glass cleaning. Things needed will be kerosene or diesel, Motul C2 chain lube, a used toothbrush for cleaning the chain, and most importantly the car jack. Pick a stone which is flat and sturdy enough to hold the bike's weight. Place the car jack beneath the bike. Make sure the surface below the bike is plain and sturdy enough to bear the weight. And raise the jack until you are able to spin the wheel very freely. And kudos! Here you go with a freely spinning wheel of your Dominar.